What is it?
Don't sound like a raccoon.
Sounds like a bird.
That's what I said the other night. What is that, Michael?
Bigfoot.
It sounds like a tie. It's a
Unless-
hawk.
At night?
I don't know, something getting it.
What? Stop.
But we heard that night. We heard some snorting.
I didn't hear
Well, I
snorting.
went out though.
Sounds like right up the tree.
What is it? What is it? Oh, something.